How to connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone, firstly, unlock your iPhone and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Next, open the AirPods Pro case with the AirPods inside and hold it next to your iPhone. A setup animation should appear on your iPhone screen. Tap on the Connect button and further follow the prompts, like enabling Hey Siri if it's your first time. Once done, tap on the Continue button and you are all set. Now, if you open Settings and then tap on the Bluetooth option, you will be able to see that the AirPods is connected. So, this is how you can connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.